Hello guys, welcome to Eassiy Official. Do you know M3 Raw Drive Recovery? Today we are going to introduce M3 Raw Drive Recovery tool and its best alternatives in detail. If you are also facing the problem of raw drive data loss, such as lost files from an SD card, USB drive, or other storage devices, you must not miss this video. What is M3 Raw Drive Recovery? M3 Raw Drive Recovery is a professional data recovery software that facilitates the recovery of raw drives with high quality. The tool uses modern technology to enable users with any skill level to recover any kind of data. How to use M3 Raw Drive Recovery tool. Install M3 Raw Drive Recovery on your computer. First, connect your drive to the PC and select the raw drive that you want to recover. Then click the Next button to scan the raw drive that needs to be recovered. M3 Raw Drive. Data recovery tool will scan the drive for lost data. After all, files detected by the software will be displayed on your screen. Right-click on the selected files to preview them. Finally, you preview the files and click Fix Drive to recover the raw data instantly. If the M3 Raw Drive data recovery software does not meet your requirements, you might consider opting for a better alternative. A powerful data recovery software like Eassiy Data Recovery. Eassiy Data Recovery is a top-leading data recovery with the highest recovery rate of photos and videos in the industry. This data recovery software allows you to recover lost data from 2,000+ storage devices like USB drives, SD cards, cameras, etc. How to recover data with Eassiy Data Recovery. First, install Eassiy Data Recovery on your computer and launch it. Next, select the data type and location where you want to recover data from. Then, click Scan to use the Quick Scan mode to recover the lost files. After you complete the above, preview the recovered files. If you're not satisfied with the output, select the Deep Scan option to execute a thorough scan. Once the deep scan is complete, your lost data will be displayed on your screen. Just preview and recover the files instantly. Let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages of both data recovery software. M3 Data Recovery has a greater security system, so your data is 100% safe and secured, and it recovers data regardless of the data loss situations within a few clicks. However, some users report its corrupted file recovery, and beginners require a learning curve to easily navigate the app. About Eassiy Data Recovery, it boasts a high success recovery rate of up to 98.6% and facilitates seamless recovery of raw drive data. It supports recovery of data in a wide range of drives. You can preview data before recovery. And Eassiy Data Recovery supports 2 scan modes, including Quick Scan and Deep Scan. It also has disadvantages. One is that you need to pay to explore more advanced features. If you want to perfectly recover lost photos, videos, and files in other formats, then Eassiy Data Recovery is your best choice. But if you only focus on commonly used file recovery and are willing to buy a slightly more expensive one, you can choose M3 Data Recovery. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.